Good day and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset a learner's password on LearnNova. Now let's get started. The first step is to log into your school admin dashboard, and by doing that, you open your web browser and type in www.learnnova.ng. And once the website loads, you click on the dashboard menu. Then once you get into the sign in page, you enter your school username and password. So let me do that. The school username and password. Then once you enter it, you click on the sign in button. So once you click on that, the website is going to redirect you to the dashboard. And now you click on the learners menu. Once you click on the learners menu, this will show you a list of all learners registered under your school along with their details. Now, let's reset the learner's password. First, you will locate the learner whose password you want to change. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I would use the first learner, which is the only learner that was registered under this school, to explain this tutorial. Now, once you locate the learner, you scroll to the rightmost side of the learner's row. You scroll, and here you will see a brown pencil icon under the actions column. So you see the edit button. The brown pencil icon is the edit button, which I'm currently hovering on. You click on it. Once you click on it, a pop-up will appear, the learner's current details. Now you will find the password input box, which is what I'm currently hovering on, which says minimum of 8 characters. You find the password input box and type in the new password you want to set. Now, note that whenever you are resetting a password or you are creating a password for the first time during the account creation, you have to always know that the password has to be at least 8 characters. So a minimum of 8 characters before the system will take in whatever password you are giving it. So at this point, let me type in the new password. So let me do that. And think that if you can notice that the password cannot be seen. So this was set up like this for security reasons. So be careful to avoid mistakes. So in fact, let me type that again just to make sure, just to be 100% sure that I didn't make any mistake. Yes. So the password will be hidden for security reasons. So type carefully to avoid mistakes. Now, once you have entered the new password, all you need to do is to click on the red submit button below. And once you do that, a notification is meant to appear, confirming that the learner's information has been successfully updated, including the new password. And that's it. Now you can give the learner their new password so they can log in. And that's how you reset a learner's password on LearnNova. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at LearnNova. Thanks for watching.